We've got our dry roasted peanuts, dark chocolate chips, and cream cheese flavored chips. Coming in with our creamy peanut butter. And I've got my cookie scooper here. I'm just adding a little bit of creamy peanut butter to this. It's gonna bring such a delicious flavor to this easy little sweet treat. I love to make this for my neighbors, all my friends around the holidays, or really any time of year. And this is just gonna help me distribute that peanut butter a little bit better throughout. It's gonna melt a little more evenly. Alrighty, I'm popping my lid onto my crock pot. We're just gonna put this on high for about 30 minutes and let it get all melted. All right, we've just had this melting for about an hour. Now I'm gonna add some other goodness to this. I've got some Heath bar pieces. Ooh, I'm such a fan of Heath. Coming in with some mini marshmallows, yummy. And for a little bit of texture, I'm gonna add in some pretzel pieces. I was hoping they were a little bit more crushed than that, but they'll be good. Yummy. All right, I'm gonna start getting this all mixed and incorporated. Oh, look at those delicious flavors. The chocolate with the peanut butter smells absolutely incredible. And of course you can totally customize this. You don't have to use peanuts. If you don't like them, if you don't like the pretzels, leave them out. Heath isn't your thing. You can always substitute with whatever you like. Sometimes I like cranberries in my chocolate or any other kind of nut. I like those caramel bits that you get. I like to get them at Walmart, but you can get them other places too. Sometimes those are really fun to add in later so they stay, whole and they don't melt in with everything. That was kind of my plan with the Heath and the mini marshmallows. But this is looking really, really good. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna come in with my cookie scooper here. I wanna get everything the right size. I have just got a parchment lined baking sheet. Now I'm just adding some clusters onto here. You can do them this size with your big scooper, or you can do them a little bit smaller if you prefer. Kind of just depends on what you're going for, what your neighbors like. This is a great gift for friends at church or your child's teacher. And a little baby one right here, making the most of the space. All right, I'm gonna use some holiday sprinkles. Of course, you can do whatever kind of little decorations you like. These are great for spring, summer, Halloween. So fun to just make these little clusters. The crock pot makes it easy if you wanna make it with kids. Safe from the heat. You're not doing it over the hot stove. All right, y'all, this looks really, really good. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in my fridge to set and then we'll be ready to enjoy our delicious candy. Alrighty, y'all, this took no time at all. I put them in the freezer and they are completely hardened. I'm just gonna add them to this little festive plate here. Perfect to serve these up at a holiday party, or you can keep your cookie tins. Doesn't have to be just for a sewing kit. You can put your candies and cookies in there. Give people a variety for the holidays. This smells so good with the little peanut butter in there. And I love how those crunch of the marshmallows and everything else are gonna come together. You know what? I'm gonna grab just this little one here because I can't wait to get a taste of this. This is a perfect mix with the Heath, the pretzels. Y'all, you can totally customize this though. You've gotta try it.